Want to know how to earn awesome rewards while playing mobile games? We're breaking it down in under a minute. MISTPLAY is the #1 loyalty platform for mobile gamers and has already been downloaded by over 16 million people. The MISTPLAY app lets you discover tons of new games catered to your preferences and earn rewards while playing. As you play games, you earn units, which can be redeemed for rewards like gift cards to Amazon, Uber, Visa, and more. It's as simple as that. Since launching in 2015, we've already given away over $15 million in rewards. On top of earning rewards for playing free games, MISTPLAY also lets you earn cash back on in-game purchases. As your purchases accumulate, so do your perks, including, you guessed it, earning rewards even more quickly. Plus, there's more to discover. Unlock badges, compete in contests and leaderboards, chat with fellow gamers, and more. Today, MISTPLAY is available in over 15 countries and counting. So if you're already playing mobile games, why not start earning rewards for it? Download today and join our community. And that's MISTPLAY in a minute.